Artificial intelligence is critical to the future of the manufacturing world and is radically transforming the way HVAC works. There are a number of advantages for manufacturing enterprises, from achieving agility to saving costs and increasing resilience in supply chains.
One of the key responsibilities all HVAC manufacturers have is to support the people and to support global initiatives, especially on the environment and carbon neutrality. First thing first, being an HVAC manufacturer, we are in HVAC business, so more than anything, consumer needs the product. I would like to summarize in 2 points. One, having the right information at the right time, and second, having the right product at the right time when it is needed. So those are the two are very important from the consumer point of view.
Artificial intelligence is already providing opportunities to improve maintenance, and predictive modeling can help foresee when a breakdown may occur. But can AI overcome all the challenges faced by the HVAC industry in the near future?
Certainly, I do believe it can be a game changer. Very soon, it is not going to be a competitive advantage and operational capability. It becomes so important for us to do everything that we can use to support dealers, strengthen them to take the right message to the consumer base. Looking at it from the dealer's point of view, when they are on the field, they are working on an equipment, they want the information first accurate because that is everything. Then they need the information fast, and then they need the information to be to the point. Manufacturers have been very strong, in my opinion, when it comes to the automation and using those pieces of AI on the production floor, manufacturing facilities. But compared to financial institutions, we are a little behind when it comes to supporting our customers, supporting our dealers, using these AI machine learning tools to do their best, improve the efficiency of their businesses.
Want to know how AI can supercharge your industry? Unlock the secrets with our distinguished guests on the Findability Speak series.